Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting two things ready, both iPhones on the same Apple ID and with current iOS. Do this now, open Settings and verify Apple ID at the top. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on both phones and enable Personal Hotspot on the second iPhone so the watch can connect. Also plug the Apple Watch on its charger and keep it near the second phone. This prevents interruptions during the pairing step that follows. You'll now move the watch to the second phone. If it's still paired to the first iPhone, unpair it in the Watch app. That creates a backup and erases the watch. Once erased, on the second iPhone, open the Watch app and tap Start Pairing, then hold the watch close and center the viewfinder if asked. This links them. When prompted, choose Restore from Backup to preserve settings or Setup as new. Finally, enter any Apple ID or passcode requests to finish secure configuration. Finish by letting the watch sync. This can take several minutes depending on data. You'll be guided to re-enable Apple Pay, Health, and Notifications. Follow those prompts to restore full function. If pairing or activation fails, restart both iPhones and the watch, confirm Personal Hotspot is on, then try again. This often clears networking hiccups. If problems continue, make sure both devices use the same Apple ID and iCloud settings. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.